My key takeaway is that everyone is facing the same challenges, and that it's good to have a community to exchange on it and to get latest insights on trends and as well solutions that can be provided by others.
It's the confirmation that without data and without partnering, we will not be able to succeed and we are not going to meet the challenges. And I think there's a very positive spirit here from all sides. So all of a sudden, also different fractions and functions come together. And I think there's a huge opportunity for us on that.
So data, I think, is the key. And there's no one-fits-all solution. We have also seen that. It needs to be use case driven based on the company's needs. But data is definitely super powerful. And without data, we can't take good decisions.
So it's really interesting to see that a lot of the participants are sitting in the same boat, are facing the same challenges. But it's also very encouraging to see that with the challenges, there comes interesting solutions in terms of supply chain risk management. And yeah, together with the help of technology, especially AI, we can finally face those challenges and yeah, also derive value from that.
My key takeaway so far is how complex it is to become supply chain resilient and what different various KPIs need to be considered in order to make sure that in this dynamic and challenging times, we still have our attention on the supply chain resilience and make sure that our supply chain works.
Well, key takeaway is relevance of data and AI along the supply chain, not limited to the four walls of your company, but extending your supply chain to suppliers, to customers, and definitely depending on more data. And now having data from you guys and a platform like Databricks in place to really manage from a technology point of view those capabilities.
I think the most important things what I can take with me is about how to maintain the supply chain resilient and how to deal with such kind of challenges by using data analyze, so data mining or something like that.
I think that the manufacturing industry has realized that they need data to transform, and that those data can come from all kind of data sources, internal ones and external ones.
I get the spirit from the people that it's really a relevant topic, particularly in this current time. And this feeling comes across. And it's also a couple of people who talked to me and said, wow, what an amazing event by Dun Bradstreet.